You don't need a flagship phone to play cash reward games because several of the most popular apps are designed to run on ordinary Android and iPhone devices without demanding high-end graphics. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that work well on budget phones and what makes each one worth trying. First is Rewarded Play. Instead of relying on one game, Rewarded Play gives you access to a rotating list of casual mobile games. Many of those games are simple puzzle, card, or arcade titles that don't require powerful hardware. You earn points for playing supported games and can redeem those points for gift cards, making it a solid option if your phone has limited storage and processing power. Next is Misplay. It's another Android rewards app that focuses on casual games instead of graphics-heavy titles. The app tracks your playtime and progress in supported games, so even an entry-level Android phone can usually handle the experience without major problems. Third is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire is one of the least demanding mobile game genres, which makes this app a good fit for budget devices. If cash tournaments are available in your region, you can choose whether to play free games or enter paid competitions. A stable internet connection matters more than having the newest phone. Fourth is Bingo Cash. Like Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash doesn't require console-level graphics. The gameplay is simple, matches are short, and performance depends more on your connection than on expensive hardware. Always check whether paid tournaments are available where you live before entering them. The fifth recommendation is FreeCash. While it isn't a game itself, it includes many mobile game offers featuring lightweight titles that run comfortably on affordable phones. If one game doesn't perform well on your device, you can simply switch to another offer without installing demanding games. A few settings can also improve performance on a budget phone. Close unused apps before playing, keep enough free storage available for updates, use a reliable Wi-Fi connection when possible, and update both your operating system and the game regularly. Those simple steps reduce crashes and improve loading times without costing anything. The biggest advantage of these apps is that they focus on casual gameplay instead of advanced graphics. That means you don't need the latest device to enjoy them, or complete reward offers. If you're using a budget phone, start with Rewarded Play or Misplay for casual gaming, then try Solitaire Cash or Bingo Cash if competitive games interest you. If you found this list helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money games and reward apps in 2026.